attack begin.
So this evening, gonna install something on the Red Charger Hellcat. Further ado, super light, as you all can see. Carbon fiber, it's pretty light. Legmaker intake. Actually, as you can see, it's a Legmaker carbon fiber intake. Clamp, well, the coupler, clamp, pre-filter, Legmaker rain shield, sticker, love stickers. And of course the filter itself. So here's the full Legmaker intake. Make good power. I got the coupler, this filter, and clamps. I have the B Woody on the Challenger. It's good. When I bought the B Woody, these weren't out yet for the Challengers, but a lot of people have been giving good reviews on these on the internet and testing them out. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. And he has a pretty cool story. You know, he actually make carbon fiber legs for wounded warriors and stuff like that. So why not support such a great company and a cause? Oh. And a zip tie. So, like, dark outside, but as you know, like a kid with any toys, you have to play with it the first night. My trusty little light, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off the factory intake, the sensor, the IT's intake temperature sensor, slide this off and put the new one in, and we'll go from there. So after about 30 minutes of fighting to get this thing out of here, cause it's been too much work to try and take the front bumper off and all the other stuff, but man, this thing is a good workout. Good workout. Hate it. Should just throw it down the street. So after about 45-minute fight, it's time to start taking the pieces off of this and put on this. Already took this piece off. Put it on there. This off. I got put the cone on here, put this on here, but I ain't gonna tighten it down yet. Gucci gang.
Huh?